Hey students, hope you studied haloalkanes and alcohol, the 630 total 60 question. Now we can enter into the main weightage chapter, which one? Aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acid. Questions are waiting for you. Question number 61. Convert ethyl benzene, you know ethyl benzene is this one, to benzoic acid. We studied any alkyl group when present, that's called what? Alkyl benzene. How to convert alkyl benzene to benzoic acid? First, we are using KMnO4 and KOH heat. What it is called? Alkaline KMnO4. It is a very strong oxidizing agent, my dear. That complete alkyl group, that just become what? A cook. What is cook mean? Potassium salt of benzoic acid or potassium benzoate. So any alkyl group, if you want to convert on benzene ring to directly to acid, use KMnO4 and KOH and heat. That's not enough. Later on, acid hydrolysis, that COOK become COOH. Okay, all. We have one more question based on this. Convert acetophenone. What is acetophenone? Benzene with a COCH3. Benzene with a COCH3 called acetophenone. Acetophenone to benzoic acid. Dear all, final stage of any strong oxidation is acid. So here also we can use the strong oxidizing agent. Which one? KMnO4 and KOH. That COO, the complete part, that's become COOK. And that's on H3O plus, that COOK becomes COOH. Alright. So alkyl group on benzene, ketone group on benzene like this acetophenone and all. If you want to convert into acid, proceed this method. Next one, bromobenzene too. They given bromobenzene to benzoic acid. Where we can't use the compounds, okay, because no carbon in this one, right? So let me do the procedure, all of you carefully listen. First I am converting this into a Grignard reagent. What is Grignard reagent? How to make it Mg in dry ether, right? Mg in dry ether. You know where this Mg put in between this aryl ring? You will get phenyl magnesium bromide, Mg plus and this minus. Let me treat how to convert, where we studied a Grignard reagent to acid. How we can convert Grignard reagent into acid? Use carbon dioxide. CO2. The negative charge will attack on this carbon, O become O minus. So let me write the product here. This phenyl ring, where the phenyl attack on this carbon, that's having O and O minus. To the O minus, who will attack? MgBr will attack. Now it is on acid hydrolysis. H plus come to this side, OH go to this side. Yes, we get benzene with the what? COOH, benzoic acid. Dear, study the reaction first. How to convert a Grignard reagent into carboxylic acid? Treat with the carbon dioxide. Grignard reagent with the carbon dioxide give you carboxylic acid. Next one, ethanol. What is ethanol? CH3CHO. See, your compound contain 2 carbon, ether, but your product contain 4 carbon, double. In haloalkane chapter we studied, that's called the Woods reaction. But aldehyde, if they given to make it double, that is our aldol condensation. What is aldol condensation? Take one more same aldehyde. The base should be dilute. During aldol condensation, base should be dilute. What is aldol condensation? You remember how to write the aldol condensation? Very simple, all of you. From the second compound, take one alpha hydrogen. Okay, from the second compound, take one alpha hydrogen and give to this oxygen. O become OH. And connect these 2 carbons. That's it. So the product will be CH3CH, O become OH, and connect here CH2, then you have CHO. But question, butane 1,3-diol. 2 alcohol is there in your compound, but only 1 alcohol is here. No problem. Aldehyde is there. We can convert it to alcohol. Aldehyde on reduction. For example, NaBH4 reducing agent. Aldehyde becomes alcohol. Yes, my dear. So what will be the compound? CHOH and CH2. What CHO become? CH2OH. Check it all off with the name. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. See? Butan 1,3 diol. So if you want to double the number of carbon in aldehyde chapter, please use which reaction? Aldol condensation. But here condensation not required, only aldol is enough, and the aldehyde we converted to alcohol because 2 OH is required in the product. One more question. Convert ethanol to but to enol. There also eth become but. Doubling mean aldol condensation. So I am taking the same compound, okay, same compound reacting with the dilute NaOH. What is the product you got, my dear? The same previous question. CH3CHOH and you will get CH2CHO. Ready. This is aldol ready because it's contain aldehyde and alcohol together. Now we need to get a double bond. We need to get a double bond here. A double bond here. Aldehyde is still there. So this, how to remove this OH and H water? How to cut water? We have to heat. You know, first process in aldol condensation is formation of aldol. Once you heat the aldol, it become what? Enol. That's called the condensation. So OH and H cut, you'll get double bond here. So CH3, CH double bond, CH single bond, CHO. Which is carbon number 1. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. So total 4 carbon but, 2 en, 1 al. So doubling means aldol condensation. Next one, benzene to meta-nitrobenzoic acid. Benzene to meta-nitrobenzoic acid. See all, benzoic acid is a meta-directing group. Even nitro also meta-directing group. So first we can convert benzene to benzoic acid. How it is possible? Directly it is, there is no method. So treat with a methyl chloride in presence of anhydrous AlCl3. That is our Friedel-Crafts alkylation. So the alkyl group come to benzene, you will get toluene, right? We will get toluene. Ready. Toluene, you know, first when treated with the KMNO4 and KOH, that become the cook and with the heat. Secondly, when you treated with the H3O plus, that CH3 completely becomes COOH. Ready? Dear all, acid is a meta-directing group. So if you do nitration, what is nitration? Concentrated HNO3 and concentrated H2SO4 if you use. The nitro group come to which position? Meta position. Ready. So if you want to convert benzene to meta-nitrobenzoic acid, first make it a benzoic acid. Benzoic acid is a meta-directing group. Then you do nitration. Nitro easily go to meta place. Question number 67, benzene to 2-phenyl acetic acid. What is that compound first of all? 2-phenyl acetic acid. This is called 2-phenyl acetic acid. How it is possible? Dear, carefully practice, okay? Important question. First benzene, let's bring a carbon here. Just we did in the previous case, bring Friedel-Crafts or do the Friedel-Crafts alkylation, AlCl3. The alkyl group will come to benzene. Ready. Now I need to get one more carbon extra. So for that I am doing chlorination. First add Cl2 in presence of light. Substitution. So one chlorine come to this place. You will get benzyl chloride. You know, benzyl chloride treated with the alcoholic KCN, Cl and K out, you get CH2CN, right? CH2CN. Now we got 2 carbon. Last final, the cyanide we need to convert into acid. Cyanide we can convert it into acid by complete acid hydrolysis. So that becomes that CH2COOH. So as per our requirement, we need to increase 2 carbon extra, right? So first I made a carbon by Friedel-Crafts alkylation, then one more carbon by bringing cyanide, then cyanide on acid hydrolysis become carboxylic acid. Next one, benzene to, question benzene to para-nitrobenzaldehyde. Benzaldehyde is a meta-directing group. So let's bring a benzaldehyde first or nitro group first. That's up to you. So let us make it a benzaldehyde. How to make it benzene to benzaldehyde? Take it a methyl chloride in presence of anhydrous AlCl3 we get toluene, right? Toluene. How to convert toluene to benzaldehyde? We can use Itard reaction, side chain chlorination, many methods are there. What is Itard reaction? Itard reaction, first we treated with CrO2Cl2. What it is called? Chromyl chloride along with the CS2. Second, we will do acid hydrolysis. The CHO become, CH3 become CHO. Now it is benzaldehyde ready. Dear all, benzaldehyde is also a meta-directing group. So if you do nitration, that is concentrated HNO3 and concentrated H2SO4, the nitro group will come to which position? Meta position. You will get meta-nitro benzaldehyde. Sorry, we need para-nitro benzaldehyde. Sorry. We need para-nitro. Okay, para-nitro. So please wait for this reaction, because aldehyde, if you made aldehyde, is what? Meta-directing. So what we have to do? Toluene is a ortho-para-directing group. So now we can bring our nitro group. So concentrated HNO3 and concentrated H2SO4. Toluene is a ortho-para-directing group. So the nitro group will come to which position? Para position. Ready. Now we can convert our this methyl group into which one? Aldehyde. What is the method, all of you? Itard reaction can be performed. What is Itard reaction? CrO2Cl2 along with the CS2 and followed by acid hydrolysis. Okay, so in order to get para position nitro group, first we have to bring a ortho para directing group on benzene, that is methyl. Methyl is an ortho, alkyl groups are ortho para directing group. Then later we can CH3, we can convert it to CHO. Next one, benzoic acid to, how will you convert benzoic acid to benzaldehyde? Simple. Benzoic acid, in order to understand, I am just writing benzoic acid, I am writing benzene with COOH. Okay. What happen if it treated with SOCl2? Thionyl chloride or PCl3 or PCl5, that OH becomes Cl. So it becomes acid chloride. You studied acid chloride when react with the hydrogen in presence of palladium and barium sulfate. Some of you get the which reaction is this? This is our Rosenmund reduction. What happened? This H and Cl out, we get benzene with COH, benzaldehyde. So how you convert benzoic acid to benzaldehyde, my dear? Benzene first, benzoic acid, first acid, make it acid chloride, benzoyl chloride, then Rosenmund reduction. Next one, how will you convert benzene to meta-nitroacetophenone? What is acetophenone? Acetophenone is getting by Friedel-Crafts acylation. Friedel-Crafts acylation, anhydrous AlCl3, you will get acetophenone. What is acetophenone? Benzene with COCH3. Ketone, these are all aldehyde, ketone, acid, these all are meta-directing group. So it is a meta-directing group. If you do nitration, that is concentrated HNO3 and concentrated H2SO4, nitro group will definitely come to which position? Meta position, because aldehyde, ketone, acid all are meta-directing group. Next one, benzoyl chloride. What is benzoyl chloride? Benzene with the COCl. First of all, we should know the compound. Benzoyl chloride is benzene with the COCl to what? Benzaldehyde. Just we did this reaction now. What is this? Rosenmund reduction. So add hydrogen in presence of palladium and barium sulfate. See this H and Cl cut, you will get benzaldehyde. Okay, benzoyl chloride to benzaldehyde is which one? That is our Rosenmund reduction. Next one, sodium acetate. What is sodium acetate? CH3COONA or sodium ethanoate to methane. How many carbon in sodium acetate? 2 carbon. How many carbon in your product? 1 carbon. If you want to reduce 1 carbon, then the reaction will be which one? The decarboxylation. What is decarboxylation, my dear? We will treat with which one? We will treat with NaOH and CaO. You know what is NaOH and CaO together called? Soda lime, right? Soda lime. So NaOH is there, calcium oxide is there. So sodium, how to understand it is decarboxylation or not? See, sodium acetate contain 2 carbon and your product contain 1 carbon. If you want to reduce one carbon less, then it will be decarboxylation. What is decarboxylation? Treating with the NaOH and CaO. How to write the product? If the acid is contain 2 carbon, the product will contain 1 carbon alkane. And always the byproduct during decarboxylation, you may notice, that is sodium carbonate. How you get this Na2 COOO, Na2CO3, this H plus CH3, you will get CH4. So once again, if you want to reduce 1 carbon less in the product, use decarboxylation, use NaOH and CaO. Now ethanol to ethanol. What is ethanol? CH3CHO. Ethanol to propan-2-ol. So basically we need to get 1 carbon extra. It's very simple. This is actually connecting our alcohol chapter. So ethanol when treated with a methyl magnesium chloride, Grignard reagent. We studied Grignard reagent when react with any other aldehyde other than methanol, you will get secondary alcohol. Yes. So Mg plus, this minus, this will attack here, O become O minus, you get CH3, CH, O minus, Mg, Cl, and one more CH3 attack. It's followed by acid hydrolysis. From H2O, H plus go to this side, OH go to this side, you get CH3, CH, OH and CH3. Yes, propan-2-ol. Okay, also Grignard reagent when react with except methanol any other aldehyde, you will get a secondary alcohol. Next, ethanoic acid. What is ethanoic acid? CH3COOH. Ethanoic acid to 2-bromoethanoic acid means on the second carbon we need to get 1 bromine. What is that? HVZ reaction. Hell-Wohlhard-Zelinsky. What is HVZ reaction? First we have to treat which halogen you want? Bromine. So add Br2 with red phosphorus. What is that? Add a Br. If you want chlorine, only chlorine and bromine possible. Okay, HVZ. If you want bromine, add Br2 with a red phosphorus followed by hydrolysis. What is HVZ reaction? Simple. This is the acid, right? This is the acid. From the alpha carbon, remove 1 hydrogen and place the Br. That's it. So CH2, Br and COOH. Yes, this is called 2-bromoethanoic acid. So if you want to remove 1 alpha hydrogen and if you want to place chlorine or bromine on that place, use HVZ reaction. Acetone. What is acetone? CH3COCH3. Acetone is propanol. To what? Propane. Aldehyde or ketone, how you can convert it into propane? We can use Clemmensen or Wolff-Kishner reduction. What is Clemmensen? Zinc amalgam and HCl, we can use it. The CO become CH2. Remember all? Or we can follow Wolff-Kishner, okay? So if you want to convert a aldehyde or ketone to corresponding alkane, use Clemmensen or Wolff-Kishner. Next one, hexane-1-ol. What is hexane-1-ol? Total 6 carbon. Hexane-1-ol, simple reaction. Hexane-1-ol, how you converted into hexanol? What is hexanol? 6 carbon contain aldehyde. Hope you get the answer already, my dear. You get the answer right? You get the answer right? How to convert a primary alcohol to aldehyde? PCC. Which is the best reagent to convert a primary alcohol to aldehyde? PCC, oxidation. Butadiene. What is butadiene? Butadiene to ethanol. Butadiene to ethanol. What is that? See, 4 carbon here, only 2 carbon here, means the double bond broken. What is that? How you convert alkene to aldehyde? Ozonolysis. What is ozonolysis? First we will add O3. You will make the ring called ozonide. Then we will break it with the help of zinc and water, right? Yes. So we will break the double bond, put 1 oxygen left and right, you get CH3CHO, CH3CHO. You will get 2 molecules of CH3CHO. So alkene, if you want to break down into aldehyde, what is the procedure? Ozonolysis. Next, parafluorotoluene. What is parafluorotoluene? This is toluene and this is para position fluorine. Parafluorotoluene to parafluorobenzaldehyde. Anything happened to fluorine? No. Only toluene is converted to benzaldehyde. Toluene to benzaldehyde you can done by Ittard reaction. What is Itard reaction? CrO2Cl2, chromyl chloride along with the CS2 followed by which one? Acid hydrolysis, H3O plus. So what Itard reaction can be performed? Question number 79, allyl. What is allyl group, my dear? This is vinyl with one sp3 carbon. This is called allyl. Okay, allyl alcohol to propenal, not propanol, propene. Okay, this is what propene, propenal. 1, 2, 3. En and al is there. See, this part is exactly almost the same. Double bond, nothing happen. Only the alcohol, primary alcohol becomes aldehyde. What is that? PCC. Primary alcohol, if you want to convert into aldehyde without disturbing the double bond and all, use the oxidizing agent PCC. Next, ethane nitrile. What is nitrile? Cyanide. What is ethane nitrile? CH3CN. Cyanide, how you can convert it to ethanol? CH3CHO. Dear, tell me. Which method you studied to convert cyanide into aldehyde? You have two reactions. Either we can use which one? The Stephen reaction, or we can use Dibal-H. That's up to you. What is Stephen reaction? First treated with the stannous chloride along with what? HCl followed by acid hydrolysis. Or we can write, instead of this, we can write on the arrow, first Dibal-H. Okay, first Dibal-H followed by hydrolysis. So Stephen reaction or Dibal-H will convert cyanide to corresponding aldehyde. 81, ethanoic acid to, ethanoic acid is this one, to acetamide. What do you know what is acetamide? Ethanamide. That is CH3CO NH2. How to convert acid into amide? Come on. How to convert acid into amide? Remember, first take the acid. Treated with what? Ammonia. When you treat acid with ammonia, that becomes what? It becomes first of all a salt. This NH3 will take this H plus, so that becomes CH3, COO or CH3, COO minus NH4 plus. It forms a salt. So what's happening here? Actually, this NH3, by giving the lone pair, it will take the H plus. So it becomes CH3 COO minus, and NH3 plus H will get NH4 plus. This on strong heating, what happened? This becomes CH3 CO NH2. What's happening here? From NH4, that water cut, H2O cut, you will get CONH2. This is called ethanamide or acetamide. So simple. How you convert acid into amide, my dear? First treated with the ammonia, you will get a salt there. That's on heating, you get corresponding amide by the removal of water. Here water cut, this H2 and this O cut. Next, how you convert phthalic acid? What is phthalic acid? All benzene with the 2 carboxylic acid on nearest carbon is called phthalic acid. This phthalic acid, first we heated with ammonia or treated with ammonia. Both of the acid part becomes its salt. What it become? Benzene with COO minus NH4 plus, COO minus NH4 plus. Ready? And this on heating, you know what happened? There's once we heated, what happened? This becomes CONH2, this becomes CONH2. So that benzene from here water cut, here also water cut, it becomes COONH2, here also COONH2. CONH2, not ONH2, that's oxygen already gone, right? CONH2 and CONH2. This is also called a phthalimide one, but which is on strong heating. You know what happened? This H2, this NH2 and this H, one of the H cut as ammonia. NH2 and H is what? Ammonia is cut out. So what is left in this one? Benzene with NH. This is called a phthalimide. So how to convert phthalic acid to phthalimide is nothing but phthalic acid is an acid. Acid on treated with ammonia, we get salt. Salt on heating, you get amide. That's on strong heating, you get phthalimide. It's NCERT compound, okay. Benzoic acid. Next one, benzoic acid to benzene. How it is? Overall, the acid part we need to cut, right? Simple. First treated with the NaOH. Let me make it a salt first. What it become? COONA. You know, acid when combined with the base, you get salt plus water, right? This H and this OH cut, this Na come to this one, sodium benzoate. The sodium benzoate, let me do decarboxylation because we need to reduce this carbon. We need to remove the one carbon, mean decarboxylation. What is decarboxylation? NaOH and CaO heat. Decarboxylation heat is there, okay? So completely cut the CO2 part. So you will get benzene. You know the byproduct in decarboxylation? Na2CO3. So if you want to reduce one carbon, do decarboxylation process. Next one, benzoic acid 2, benzoic acid 2, benzoic acid 2, meta-nitrobenzoic acid. Dear all, acid is a meta-directing group. So directly do which one? Nitration, concentrated HNO3 and concentrated H2SO4. The nitro group comes to which position? Meta position, because acid is a meta-directing group, direct. Butane 2-on. What is butane 2-on? CH3CO, CH2, CH3. This is butane 2-on. Convert into butane. How will you convert a aldehyde and ketone to hydrocarbon with the Clemmensen or Wolff-Kishner? What is Clemmensen? Zinc amalgam and HCl. The CO become CH2. That is what? Butane. Or Clemmensen also, okay? Next one, how will you convert prop1-ine? What is prop1-ine? CH3C triple bond CH. Prop1-ine to propan 2-on. From how we converted a alkyne to aldehyde or ketone, that is our oxymercuration. What is oxymercuration? Addition of water in presence of mercuric sulfate and H2SO4, then heat. What all ions are present in H2O, my dear? H plus and OH. Let's follow Marconi-Kos rule. Negative part goes to carbon with less hydrogen and positive part to more hydrogen, and you will get CH3, COH double bond CH2. Ready? Ready all. Now this on undergo tautomerism. This undergo tautomerism. You know, this is a ene, this is a ol, this is called enol. Enol undergo tautomerism. What is tautomerism? The alcohol hydrogen shift to this carbon. You will get CH3COCH3. That is our propan 2-on. So alkyne, if you want to convert into aldehyde or ketone, we are using which reaction? Oxymercuration. Addition of water with this reagent. Next, ethanoic acid. What is ethanoic acid? CH3COOH. Ethanoic acid to ethyl ethanoate, ester. Ethyl ethanoate is an ester. What is ester structure actually? Ethyl ethanoate, right? Ethyl ethanoate. So it is CH3CO, OCH2CH3. This is called ethyl ethanoate. You know, ester is preparing from the reaction of an acid plus alcohol. See, acid part is already here. So 2 carbon contain alcohol, we have to take it. CH3, CH2, OH. Presence of acid. Esterification takes place in presence of the acid one. So what happened? From acid take the H and alcohol take the OH. You will get the ester. So ester is formed by the combination of acid and alcohol called esterification. Ready? 88, 2-methyl propanoic acid. Let me draw the structure. This is propanoic acid. Second position, methyl. Okay. 2-methyl propanoic acid is ready. 2-methyl propanoic acid you have to convert into 2-chloro-2-methyl propanoic acid. We need to get one chlorine here. We studied this reaction before, my dear. If you want to remove one alpha hydrogen to place a halogen, HVZ reaction, L. Volhard-Zelinsky. What is HVZ reaction? Add chlorine in presence of red phosphorus catalyst followed by hydrolysis. So remove alpha hydrogen, put chlorine there. Finish. Finish. Okay, 2-chloro, 2-methyl propanoic acid. 2-chloro, 2-methyl propanoic acid, HVZ. 89, cyclohexene. Convert cyclohexene to hexane 1,6-dioic acid. Okay, what is the reaction? See all, it's a easy method. Actually, one step itself we can make it easier. We can use acidified KMnO4. Just for understanding, let me write in another format. First I am doing ozonolysis. What is ozonolysis? First add O3. Second we will treat it with zinc and water. What is happening in ozonolysis? We will cut the double bond, put one oxygen left and right. This become aldehyde. This also become aldehyde. So product will be CHO. Then you have 4 carbon, again CHO. You know, alkene, this ozonolysis you get aldehyde, the double bond break. And aldehyde on oxidation, which one all of you? KMnO4 and KOH, alkaline KMnO4, or we can use acidified. Okay, or we can use which one? Acidified KMnO4, very strong oxidizing agent. Acidified KMnO4, when we use it, CHO becomes what? COOH. Okay, then 4 carbon, again COH. This is called 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Therefore, it's called hexane 1,6-dioic acid. Or directly we can write, okay, cyclohexene when we treated with the acidified KMnO4. Acidified KMnO4. It's a very strong oxidizing agent, my dear, and double bond break, both side becomes acid directly. Okay, this way also we can write it. Otherwise, what we are doing here, first ozonolysis become aldehyde. Aldehyde on oxidation you get acid. That method also can be choose it. 90, last question, butane nitrile. What is butane nitrile? Butane nitrile mean 4 carbon cyanide to butanoic acid. Just a direct step, butanoic acid. What is overall change here all? How to convert cyanide into acid? Complete hydrolysis, H3O plus. How to convert cyanide into carboxylic acid? Complete. You may studied one thing behind this one. Cyanide on partial hydrolysis you get amide, but cyanide on complete hydrolysis you get acid. So you not to mention that, as per your requirement you take it. So cyanide on H3O plus complete hydrolysis you get carboxylic acid. So that is our question number 90. So 90 conversion question we studied from the last 3 organic chapter. We have one more chapter, amines. Please wait for it.